Hi guys, today I'm on Cooking with Felicia. I'm making chicken Alfredo and I already got my chicken browned and ready to go. I used some onions and garlic and olive oil and butter to get them started. Next I'm about to make my sauce, so stay with me so that you can see all the different steps on how to make your own chicken Alfredo sauce. Okay, so I got my chicken all brown and ready to go, and I took it out of the pan. I was going to use the same pan for that, for the sauce, but I wanted the sauce to be a white sauce and stay white. And since I had a lot of chicken bits going on in there, I decided to use a new pan. So now I'm melting garlic and butter. And that's 2 cloves of garlic and a half a stick of butter. Letting that melt down. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of heavy cream and a fourth of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So hold on while I let this melt down, and then I'll be right back to show you the next steps. I'm ready to add in my heavy cream. So 1 cup of heavy cream went into a half a stick of butter and 2 cloves of garlic. And here's the other cup. Now you're going to let this do its thing until it gets thick. I might add in some more because I'm feeding my large family. But you get the gist. So you're going to let this simmer and do its thing. Get thick. And then you're going to add in the cheese. And I have 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. The real stuff, not the shredded or the one in the box. And then once this all comes to, I'm going to go back and put the chicken that I browned up earlier in. And you can use spaghetti noodles, fettuccine noodles, Alfredo noodles, whatever you want to use. I'm using fettuccine noodles today. And there you go. You got yourself some creamy Alfredo sauce, homemade. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, the sauce has reduced to half and it's starting to thicken up now. And I'm just going to continue to let it get thicker and in the creamy consistency that I want. And then I will go back and add the chicken in. You can use whatever seasonings at this point that you want in the sauce. I'm probably going to just do salt and pepper. Starting to thicken up just wonderful. So I'm going to let this continue to do its thing, and then I'll come back when I'm about to add the chicken. Okay, the sauce has gotten to the consistency I wanted. It stayed on the spoon. Now I can go back and add the chicken back in. And my dish is done. And I'm going to serve this with a salad. Sometimes we put broccoli in ours, but I really wasn't going to put that in it since we were having a salad anyway. So this is just going to be regular chicken Alfredo. And I'm going to serve it with the salad. So that was it, guys. That is all she wrote. See how easy it was? It wasn't that many steps. You can do this at home. Hold on a second. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, guys. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Creamy chicken Alfredo sauce. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video.